Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install MySQL 8.0.35 on Mac OS 14 Sonoma. Right-click on Desktop, open in Terminal. Let's increase font size on Terminal. Type sudo apt update. Press enter. Type here ROHIT user password. ROHIT is our root user. After getting updates, then install the MySQL Server package. Type clear, to clear a screen. Type sudo apt install MySQL-server. Press enter. Press Y, then press enter. Now our MySQL server is installed. After MySQL installation, we need to start the SQL service. Type clear, to clear a screen. Type sudo systemctl start MySQL.service. Press enter. Now our SQL service is started. Now check our install MySQL server version. Type sudo MySQL --version. Press enter. As you can see, our MySQL version 8.0.35. Type sudo MySQL. Press enter. Now I am going to show you default MySQL databases. Type show databases semicolon. Press enter. These are the default databases of MySQL. Now I am going to create new database MySQL for testing purpose. Type create database. Demo semicolon. Press enter. Type show databases semicolon. Press enter. As you can see, our demo database is created. Type exit. Type exit again. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install MySQL 8.0.35 on Ubuntu Linux. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.